Alright, so here's a review of the 42, I think it is. Travel box is what it's called. Got that on Amazon there. It's Easy Cool, I think is the brand. Compressor cooler. I've unpacked it and I've set it for 32 or 30, I don't remember, but you know, they'll go up or down a little bit. So it's been like 20 minutes and went right down. It's just as noisy as the other ones. After they get acclimated a little bit to the environment, and they'll be able to sit there better without making noise. Now I'm running another one. This is Dometic. I run it at 32. It keeps things pretty good. If you know, they're like everything else. You don't open them, they'll stay longer. That's a Dometic 25, CF25. CF25. And you can see it has a basket. It's some room in there. Put about a 12 pack and some food. This one got a good positive latch to it. Oh, and it's a pretty blue light. Look at that. Oh. So you got your deep pocket here where you put things like vegetables and fruits or something. And this is really deep. I don't know if you can see that's my elbow. So that's my elbow. That's a pretty long arm. It's the long arm of the cooler. It's got this little divider in here. I may tie some wire ties or something around there. Looks like you can take this loose. It's very well built for what I paid for it. This was $2.99. It was $3.04, and I kept thinking about it, and for some reason the price changed. After I went back online, it was $2.99, and you know, it's pretty good for $2.99. But we'll see how long it lasts. But this is the first. I'm just now running it, so. And I've accidentally hit that button, gone down to 28. I don't want 28. I want 32. You should touch them, and they'll sit a minute, and then, well, maybe it went to 28 because I opened it. I don't know. It's gone into economy mode. I need to read some more. This is like a touch screen, but not. It's like those old microwaves that used to have the touch buttons. So you'll set it, and it'll flash. When it quits flashing, it may come up. Doesn't make much. I mean, it makes a little grumbling noise, but other than that, I don't know. You need to read the book. Instructions are kind of hard to read, but it's in English. Just read it once or twice. You'll understand it. I like it. I recommend it.